YouTube. Are you looking for a way to finally make consistent money online? And when I say consistent, I mean month after month without constantly having to do more work. If so, stay with me. I got something very special for you in my review of Panda payments. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. And as you probably know, if you're a regular viewer of the channel, I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you are not new, feel free to skip ahead. But if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things: to review software and info products to make money online niche, to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
But seriously, people are stuck at home. You have to complain while people are stuck at home? Really? It's enough. He's annoying. He does it all the time. Very annoying guy. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, I'll give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos over here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz. You see, during the lockdown, I've been watching Liz Lemon. I love Liz. She's a sweetheart. You know, anyway, even if she was like, you know, kind of a bully in high school, she's a sweetheart now. Anyhow, whatever. So the way things work here, if I like it, I'll give a tip of my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. And let's go ahead and get right into this thing. To the sales page for Panda payments by my friend Dawood Islam. Now, right off the bat, I'm showing you this because I'm not really happy that he's using this particular screenshot. This is a screenshot from Warrior Plus. Okay, another one over here from Warrior Plus. All right, now here's my issue with this. There's two issues. First and foremost, a lot of this is because he's a vendor. So a lot of this money that you're seeing listed is coming from vendor sales. You can see here $3,000 over the past 7 days was vendor sales, which isn't an accurate number because most of the money goes to affiliates. All right. Same thing over here. Again, that's number one. Number two, a lot of these websites that he's going to talk to you about are not necessarily on Warrior Plus. And I'll explain to you what I mean by that in just a minute. So I'm not thrilled about this. Be that as it may, I've looked over Panda payments. I really do very much like this course. This is a method that I've actually just started to use over the past few months, and I've already seen results from it. It really does work really, really well. Basically, the concept is quite simple. The concept is basically what you do is you will find websites or with useful tools, things that people would actually want to use. And you sell those tools to people, and they have a monthly recurring payment. So a good example of this is a product that I am a big fan of. I'm going to put a link up here, a card to my review of it. It's called Content Samurai. It is a product that I use constantly. I absolutely love Content Samurai. One of the best things on the market. It is a little pricey. I think it's like $47 a month. They occasionally have sales. Right now, I think it's $47 a month. But I have found nothing better for creating videos. And this is from somebody who has reviewed video courses all the time, video services all the time. There was one that was just recently created by another friend of mine, by Art Flair, which I happen to have liked a lot. I was very, very impressed with it. And the nice thing was that it was a one-time payment, but even that one really does not compare with Content Samurai. Nothing compares with the ease of use, the quality of results that you get from Content Samurai, and it more than pays for itself for me using it. Now, be that as it may, I'm not trying to pitch Content Samurai here. I'm talking about Wood's product. But my point is that what you can do is you can actually make money every single month from places like Content Samurai because they pay you a monthly cut of any membership fees that you sell. That's in a nutshell what Panda Payments is all about. And I'm going to show you the members area in just a minute. Okay. Basically, and you have a bunch of bonuses over here as well. Now, there's two things that I felt were missing from Panda Payments, other than the fact that I didn't like the screenshot that you used here. First and foremost, in the beginning of Panda Payments, Wood mentions that he's not going to talk about paid advertising at all, which I personally, I get it. Look, a lot of people get scared of paid advertising. They're like, oh, I don't want to spend any money. Fine, I get that. And if you want free methods of driving traffic, he's going to show them to you in spades inside of the members area. I'll show it to you in just a second. But for somebody who wants faster results, because basically advertising, no matter what you pay, no matter what you do, you're going to pay for advertising. If you're using the free methods, you're paying with your time because it takes longer to build it up. It takes longer to bring in the number of sales that you're going to want. And of course, it takes more time to actually make it happen. Paid stuff starts coming in faster. And as long as you're spending the money and making enough to cover your cost, it's worth it to use paid advertising. But I get that some people don't want to. That said, the first thing I'm going to do is going to give you 5 different courses on paid advertising that'll be included as my custom bonus that nobody else is going to give you. The other thing I'm going to give you that's a custom bonus. Now, again, the idea here is basically to find membership sites, and he's going to teach you how to do it, the whole thing about how it works, and it's a really, really good course. He's going to show you how to find membership sites that you can go ahead and sell on. What I'm going to do for you is I'm going to show you how to create your own membership site. So not only can you sell other people's memberships, you can have your own membership. Why would you want to do that? Well, first of all, somebody who buys one membership site is more likely to buy other ones. So anybody who buys your membership site is much more likely to go out and spend money to buy other membership sites. People do this, they buy these things. And second of all, why not keep all the money instead of only keeping a portion of the money? And so therefore, I'm going to give you my video course explaining how to create a membership site. I'm also going to give you content that you can use for your membership site. Okay, in my video, I'm going to show you how I created a membership site using content for a website on self-improvement. And what I'm going to give you is a whole bunch of content that you can use for a different niche. I don't want you competing directly with me, so I'm going to give you from a different niche, but you are going to get a whole bunch of additional content that you're going to be able to use to create your own membership site completely for free, by the way. Okay, the only thing you're going to have to spend money on is basically hosting, and even hosting, you can use free membership sites. Free hosting if you really want to. I don't recommend it, but you can if you want to use free hosting. There are free hosting services like WordPress.com you can use completely for free. Okay, so that said, let's go ahead and take a look at the members area real quick. All right, and you can see it's a basic members area, obviously made by ClickFunnels. This is Wood's favorite platform. I'm not a big fan of ClickFunnels myself, but just because it's very expensive. I mean, it's a nice platform. And by the way, ClickFunnels is one of the other sites that you can go ahead and sell memberships to and make money off of. And again, that's not going to show up on the Warrior Plus because they have their own payments. All right, but he has a very, very good, solid explanation of exactly how to do these things. He has his own Tiger's Traffic, which teaches you all kinds of free methods for driving traffic. And of course, there's a whole bunch of bonuses here as well. So it's a really, really solid package that's really going to show you everything you need to know in order to really start making some serious coin and have it come in consistently. The idea is it's a little bit harder to get people to sign up for a recurring payment because people don't like to have recurring payments. They're like, oh my God, I'm going to have to pay every single month. But for something that's useful, I pay for several things that are recurring payments because I find them useful to me and to my business. And other people do pay for recurring payments. I mean, you pay for your electricity every month. This is basically the same concept. Is basically that there's certain things that you're going to rely on, and so if you manage to sell somebody a service that they're going to rely on, they'll be paying for years and years and years, and they'll be happy because they're using it. They need it. It's a service that they need, and you'll be happy because you're getting paid every month for the service that they're using. So it's a kind of a win-win situation. And let's go ahead and see if I can give it tip my hat to Dawood or not.
You rock!
Yes, indeed, Dawood, you rock. I love this course. I think it's a great idea, and it's not something that most people are teaching. So I really think that this is a very unique offering on the marketplace. The only thing that I had a problem with was your screenshots on your sales page. I would have preferred you put up screenshots that show actual earnings that come specifically from this particular method. But I do know from my own experience that yes, it really does work. I probably make about 20% right now of my own income from recurring payments for various things that I have helped other people recruit for over the years. And people are happy to pay because they get a service that they need. I get paid for having driven traffic once, and people pay over and over again. So it's a win-win for everybody. So it's a great course. I loved it. Just a little bit upset about the screenshots, but we'll let that go because this is a great course. So go ahead and grab this. It's definitely well worth your money.